Good morning, you guys, and a happy Vlogmas week 2. I just woke up. It is currently 7:20 and I need to pack because we're going to Karoo. So I just woke up a little bit earlier than everybody else, and also like a 3-hour tan thing. Really going to apply the tan so I have enough time for it to kind of sit and then can wash off. And while I do that, I'm going to pack. I had a few outfit ideas, but because we're only going for like 2 nights, but like for 3 days, I'll pop up like a few images of like outfit inspiration that I had that I'm going to take along. Obviously it's the Karoo, so you don't know really what the weather is going to be like, so it can like be very, very hot or very, very cold. So I'm just gonna pack a little bit of everything. We're not taking that big of a bag. We're also going to do some last minute grocery shopping because there were some things we couldn't buy last night. So we're gonna quickly go in there. I'm also just gonna buy some stick-ons because my nails are going through it at this moment. Take you along with the packing process, shopping process, as well as when we get to Karoo.
Hey Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside, and all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Hey Santa, sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candle.
Okay, so while my tan is currently just developing, I also did some face tanning. It kind of looks rough right now, but when you wash it off, it looks all nice and bronzed and beautiful. So I just want to show you all of the like makeup products, face products, and all of that I'm taking with. So this is face products, so I'm not going to pack a lot. It's just the basics, like basic brushes, a sponge, brow stuff, face stuff, all of my skincare, and then just body lotion, fragrances, toothpaste. I'll pack my toothpaste later after I've brushed my teeth, and then just some hair stuff. I just have to put my brush in it as well, and I'm just going to pack it in these 2 little bags because it's going to go into a big bag anyways. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to wash this tan off, blow dry my hair, and basically we're going to go shopping for the rest of the stuff, and then I think we are going to head that way, pack the car and go on a trip.
His love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee.
in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and
I don't want to go on social media. Almost 3 kilometers of a hike. 10 out of 10 recommend. Really take vacation days because wow.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay.